In our last episode, we visited friends and arrived at Golden Isles Lake. Now, our special guests were due to arrive, and they would be staying in that hotel overlooking Golden Isles Lake and Sommerfest. This morning, we'll be tying up the dinghy in our secret little cove and taking a short walk to the hotel.
So we're walking to JC and Mandy's hotel, and it's freezing here in Florida.
We ended up hanging around the hotel room with my son John Claude and his girlfriend Mandy, and in the evening we got a ride to the Gulfstream Casino to check out the Christmas light display.
Happy holidays and a joyous new year.
Later on, we grabbed a bite to eat at one of the casino restaurants. The next morning, we got together at the hotel for breakfast, watched the Green Bay Packers and Miami Dolphins game, and kept an eye on Sommerfest. Later, we went out for our Christmas dinner at Juniper's on the Water. Good food, great service, a very nice restaurant. The next day, the horse track was open at Gulfstream Park Casino, and we got there in time to catch the first race. We had fun checking out the horses before the race and learning all about the different horses and jockeys.
Just north of where Reagan starts to finish up. He's down the center, trying to get Commanding General with the 16.
It was so exciting. We ended up staying for all the races. We went up to the Flamingo Room for lunch and cocktails while we placed our bets. Next day was sunny and warm, so we went for a walk to Hellendale Beach and ended up on Hollywood Beach Boardwalk. Very nice place. Here we are at the Beach Walk Hotel on John Claude and Mandy's balcony, overlooking Golden Isle Lake and Sommerfest. Jean Claude and Mandy will be flying back to Boston tomorrow, and we will be going down the ICW right there, down to No Name Harbor. Early the next morning, we pulled up anchor and started making our way to No Name Harbor and Stiltsville, where we would get ready to cross the Gulf Stream to Bimini. But more on that in our next episode.